Hey everyone, as we know, if we want to become fluent speaker, if we want to enhance our communication skills, we have to do lots of practice, right? Only learning grammar, vocabulary can't help us to enhance our communication skills. We need to practice. So what else we can do? What if you don't have someone to talk to? So what else we can do? Just stay tuned with this video. I'm going to provide a technique that will definitely help you to enhance your communication skills, speaking skills, as well as sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary. And this technique will definitely help you to improve or make you able to express your ideas, thought in front of someone. Okay, so here is the technique. Learn to speak English through imitation. Here I am asking you to imitate, which means I'm not asking you to repeat each sentence after a native speaker. You just need to repeat each sentence in your own word. What is mean by that? You have to repeat each sentence in your own word. So let's see the example. Here are some dialogue written which is used by the native speaker, and like when I was young, I, and you have to speak in your own word, like when he was young, he, when I was a child, when he was a child, my parents like to pretend like many other parents, his parents like to pretend like many other parents, that Santa Claus would bring us presents at Christmas. His parents like to pretend that Santa Claus would bring them presents at Christmas. So, in this way, you have to repeat each sentence in your own word to enhance your communication and speak in better way, to get that idea, to get that expression, to become fluent. Okay, until you won't do some effort, okay, you can't become fluent or enhance your communication skills by only learning grammar and vocabulary. Yes, I'm asking you to imitate. If you imitate long phrases, sentences, or entire speech, that will help you in better way to express your ideas and thought, because you are getting the whole idea, whole expressions, okay, whole emotion, like what are the things going in that particular speech or story. Okay, but in first go, if you are beginner, you are, if you are not able to repeat or imitate entire speech in your own word, so you just start with the short phrases, short sentences. Easy to hard imitation is better way to progress training or progressive learning. Okay, so in this scenario, what you can do, you just start with, as I told you earlier, in this uh, technique, you just start with short phrases, short sentences, a small portion of sentences. Okay, after that, if you'll become able, okay, after you become comfortable to repeat or narrate the short phrases, sentences in your own word, after that you can move for the harder one. Okay, try to repeat entire speech, full story, and this thing will help you to become a better speaker. By this way, you can improve your grammar as well as vocabulary. Okay, and you can also learn different kind of expressions on the daily basis by doing this imitation technique. And believe me, this implicit learning is very effective method. As we have seen how child learn their native language by imitating or observing their environment, so in this imitating method, you can also improve your communication or enhance your communication skills in overall way. Okay, like unknowingly, in this way you can improve your grammar, vocabulary, and you will become to express your ideas and thought. Okay, you just need to do regular practice on the daily basis.